Namital kill you. That sounds like an X-rated show.
नहीं नहीं
Late Night with
नहीं.
Namit, but yeah, darling. Go, Shruti.
No, you go.
Before we proceed, do not forget to subscribe to Bench Buddy. Arya came in last year. A Suitable Boy came in. You have given Namit numerous amount of interviews. Now, in a way, I'm really thanking my stars. Last year, when we were speaking in October, this didn't work out, and we are speaking in 2021. There's a different perspective, I'm sure. And for my side also, I'm coming up with new things to ask, thankfully. So, what is that one question you were and you are absolutely tired of answering in interviews?
I think one thing that I'm really tired of is this whole focus on OTT platform and whether how OTT platforms have given us us actors a new sort of platform, a new world, new stories. I'm a bit tired of that actually. I think we should stop asking questions and we should start sort of accepting the reality that this is a world which has opened up, and because of this world, uh, actors like us, as they say, have got many opportunities. Yes, we would have been cast as friends and side actors, as they say, in films.
I am so thankful we did not ask you that or go near about that.
I got another one. I don't think Shruti, I've told you this as well. This was, I think, during lockdown, and I think two of my shows had come out at that point of time, and one of these journalists said that, "Sir, आप तो कितने देर से काम कर रहे हैं? आप तो मतलब बिल्कुल आलू बन गए, जो हर सब्जी में होता है." I said, I don't take offense to that at all. मैंने बोला कि मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है आपने मुझे आलू बुलाया, क्योंकि आलू बहुत टेस्टी होता है, और आलू की सब्जी जो वो अपने आप भी एग्जिस्ट करती है, और आलू को किसी और के साथ डाल लो तो भी वो एग्जिस्ट करती है. तो आई थिंक आप बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं. But people and journalists and people have strange point of views and people have strange ways of expressing themselves, and I mean, I take it with a pinch of salt, and I'm lucky. I can laugh on anything.
Yeah. In simplest word, वो आपका बड़प्पन है, and you look at things at way more positive aspects, and that's why this is the approach, because I don't see such journalists asking an A-lister this kind of question ever. You need to be sensitive about it. This is very stupid, to be honest.
Okay. By the way, for the record, this is the first time I've been called an A-lister. Thank you so much. Otherwise, I've got things like side actor है, वो हीरो का फ्रेंड है, वो कैरेक्टर रोल करता है. अरे आप तो हीरो के साथ खड़े होते हैं ना, वो पीली शर्ट पहन के. मतलब these things,
it is absolutely horrible. Even when Wake Up Sid came out, I never felt कि ऋषि का part छोटा था तो it doesn't matter. It matters to the story. It matters to the arc of the main character, irrespective. So I think the perception nahi, and the media has to be blamed, but that is a whole lot different conversation.
That's a different conversation.
Yeah. How involved are you guys in each other's work? So some new project comes in, do you happen to share it with each other before signing on the dotted lines, or happen to discuss?
Yeah.
Yes, totally. And in fact, I think everyone in my family is an artist. I can safely say that now.
Yeah.
And whenever I am going to be sharing something of my work with them, I don't think they are going to come back and tell me, "Beta, बहुत अच्छा किया, करते रहो, अच्छा." I don't think that is going to be a reaction. Okay. Everyone is going to see it from a very critical perspective. Everyone is going to give me feedback, because that is what I expect. I'm not expecting everyone to say the good things. I'm expecting them to say the things which will be critical, which will make me a better artist.
Yeah.
And that is the relationship that I have with Shruti also. Yes, it gets very heated up. Yes, we are all very passionate. Yes, we tend to argue sometimes. Our point of views don't match. We sometimes we are not on the same page.
Yeah.
But I think that is part and parcel of the life that we have chosen. And yes, there is a flip side to it, that everyone will have an opinion about whatever you do.
Mhm.
But there is that other side as well, that you'll always get feedback from people, and constructive feedback
Yeah.
from people about whatever you're doing. And I value that. I totally value that.
How about you, Shruti? Do you also then, okay, something came up and you discuss your part, or you're like, मुझे सही लग रहा है, I'm going ahead with it?
Listen, Black Widows I got because during lockdown, Namit took my screen test. So I think last year was the time when we both were actually very much involved in each other's work, because उसका interview हो रहा था तो मैं camera से ले रही थी, मेरा कोई test था, he would take my screen test. But yeah, I think now I've learned how to be honest. Earlier I was very blunt. I used to think that I should tell him, I should be the first person to tell him everything. But now I understand the sensitivity that an artist goes through when they are part of a project. But as far as my work is concerned, I think I'm very critical towards my own work. I criticize my work too much. I think Namit is the one who tells me that no, you're just thinking too much. It's not that bad. So Namit is always correcting me how much not to look at it critically.
Yeah.
And see it objectively. So I think that really helps, because you don't get, you cannot see your work objectively. I always feel this, that as artists, we are not the audience exactly now. Our lens has changed. We are seeing what we are seeing, someone else will be seeing it in a very completely different way. But all we can do is that when we listen to the script now, we have a judgment that for you this will be good. Project का जो भी भविष्य होगा वो तो निकलेगा तभी पता चलेगा. But I think we can say objectively towards each other how much this project will be contributive in your career. And I was actually more proud of Namit for Arya, because what you saw him in Suitable Boy, very much that's how Namit is in life. Let me tell you. Okay, everything is spin and proper, and like it's exactly how Namit ka apna ek discipline hai, sab kuch. So when I was watching Harish, I was laughing because I was like, "Are ye to tum hi ho?" You know, I was more shocked for Arya because Namit to chai coffee bhi nahi peeta. मतलब ये सब तो बहुत ही दूर की बात जो वो उसमें था. And I was like, ये कैसे करेगा? He's playing like a cokehead, you know, underworld. And जब ऐसे कुछ गांव वाला अगर कुछ negative role हो तो मैं फिर भी समझ सकती हूँ. But this guy was very annoying and different. It was a very tough one, and also the way it was shot was very unique. I really didn't. I was very much surprised and blown away for the first time by Namit. I've seen Namit's work in every way. But I told Namit that ये तो मैं उम्मीद नहीं कर सकती थी तुमसे जो तुमने आर्या में कर दिया. This is not at all Namit.
One, I 100% agree with you, because when I saw a glimpse of he playing dark or grey characters in Abhay, and then Arya came out, mind blown. I'm like, अब इनको कोई negative roles दो थोड़े और ज़्यादा.
हाँ, I actually felt कि इसको तो negative role और मिलने चाहिए, you know. He's relishing it. He's so good at it.
It's not just about that image. Of course, the clothing and the camera just make a difference, but एक persona भाई साहब का अलग आता है on screen की चाल है, वो आंखें, and then the drag of a cigarette. I am sure when you look at it, Namit, you feel like सही किया. I mean, लग रहा है, अच्छा लग रहा है type. You get that feeling when you see yourself playing these negative characters?
I don't see my work too much, very frankly. I don't get involved with my work too much.
Okay.
I have a very dispassionate approach to my career and to whatever I do, actually. I do it, I live it, and for that time period, and then after that, I move on to the other things in life. But I enjoyed it even more because of the process, because of Ram Madhwani's process and the way he shoots. And I think that was really great, because you tend to forget the word on the page. You just tend to live. The process is such, you know. But yes, talking about negative characters and grayer shades, I really don't understand what is this term called the negative character. Like if I ask you, are you a positive person or are you a negative person? We are not bad. I mean, we are not batteries at the end of the battery. Maybe positive, negative, दोनों होता है, right? तो सही जगह लगाना पड़ता है. For me, I think the situation. What is it that this person is reacting to? I think is most important.
Namit is the most boring person to ask, like especially during Arya. I remember he was shooting very cold in Jaipur, and I asked him. I said, "कैसा कैसा है?" हाँ अच्छा है. मैंने कहा no, but like, are you enjoying it? How's the process? अलग है. It's just like one word. He sounds so disinterested that मैंने पूछना अब तो I don't even ask because मतलब ही नहीं है. And for everything he says the same thing. हाँ अच्छा है. अलग है.
It's there is a huge sense of sorry go ahead, yeah.
No, I mean, sort of. I am more interested in the fact that we went to Jaipur at that point of time. It was February. It was cold. The weather was lovely, and we were staying in this lovely place. And I told Shruti that I have a break of 4 days, and I've had a dream of a tiger. So she came, and then we went to Ranthambore, and we
Wow.
saw a tiger. There was a see. I'm more excited about those things actually.
Yeah, got it.
And those the work part of it is very. It's in my head. Trust me, it's very mechanical. It's happening.
Yeah.
But life is so interesting. There are so many things which are happening around
Wow.
around work, which really interest me more.
Amazing. So आप उनमें से है कि of course your work gives you the advantage of traveling to new places all the time, but then you see that is a set process, but you're way more excited कि what do I do between action and cut or after the shooting hours. That's what you're like.
Totally.
हाँ.
Totally. And now I have reached that position where I shoot, and then after that I don't even hang out with my shooting crew or with other actors. I actually start. I go and discover places on my own, and because I really like it.
Yeah.
Because I really like it, and I think one of the major preoccupations with me is history now. Wherever I'm going, I want to know the history of that place, of people, and yeah, that's what's really driving me. And it's driving me crazy. Yeah.
That is amazing. So there is very clear process. Now you are, as you said at the beginning of this chat, you believe living in the moment, and you are definitely already in that path, and you are believing it and actually practicing it, and a sense of conscious detachment of everything you do. So you do, it's done and dusted, you move ahead. It's not very easy to actually detach, especially in this line of work, because
Yeah.
constant high, you enjoy that all the time, but then to move on, leaving that behind is actually a true sign of progress in my eyes. So that's amazing. Kudos to that. All right. This is for both of you. Now, Shruti, you've been giving not many, but yes, some interviews. Namit, you have been like, the last year has interviews which I can't count on my fingers, that many. Even. What is that one question for you guys individually you felt कि अरे ये पूछ सकते थे, आज तक ये नहीं पूछा किसी ने?
That's
Silence.
very interesting, yeah. That's tricky, yeah. Never thought of that.
I wish someone would ask me just conversations about, the everyday of what actually makes an actor.
Yeah.
Or what actually, some people have asked me, I mean, I won't deny that, but they are not very pertinent to what really makes me an artist.
Yeah.
So there'll be questions about what do you have to say about the OTT platform? What do you have to say about your journey in Bollywood 17 years? What do you have to say as an outsider? That's another question that really irritates me, because I say the fact that I have been in this industry for 18 years makes me an insider now. I don't think I'm an outsider. There were questions about trolling. There were this is the outside life of an actor. But what really makes an actor, an artist, an artist is what is inside. And very few people actually want to find out.
Very true.
So what does this person actually do when he doesn't have work?
Yeah.
What are the things that he's interested in? And trust me, if you ask anyone that question,
Uh-huh.
I don't think many actors will have an answer to that,
Mhm.
because we are all so self-consumed
Yeah.
as actors
Yeah.
and as artists, because it's all about me, my career, my thing, ye wo.
Mhm.
But what are we doing in front of the camera? We are playing out life, right? When did we stop living it?
क्या बात.
And that I feel is I think it's sort of a two-way relationship with people expecting something out of you and you giving them the exact thing. I don't want to give these people those answers.
ये सिर्फ आपसे point of view जानना चाहते हैं about things happening
Right.
in simplest.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
This is very superficial. This is
Yeah.
very, very superficial. Do people know that Namit, yes, Namit is an actor. He's been acting in Bollywood for 17 years, is an avid vinyl music collector. And music to him is not just music, but music to him is actually blood and air which he breathes.
Yeah.
And he wants to write, and he wants to write fiction. And he writes, and he dedicates some time of the day to write some amount of fiction every day. And he wants to write eventually a book, which will have his short stories. See, these are things which people don't want to know about.
Exactly.
And now that you've called me an A-lister, I would take the lead on that and say that, people don't want to know these things. People just want to know what they know.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Amazing.
Wow.
Thank
Yeah, when
you,
I was
Shruti.
enjoying listening.
Did you happen to have any question comes across your mind? It's okay if it's not. Like Shruti, do you?
I actually have many now that when Namit was talking. I'm taking time because I'm thinking which one to say.
Oh.
If it's only to artists, then I wish somebody would ask an artist that if there was no validation of fame, box office,
Mhm.
and no earning involved,
Mhm.
what would you create with your art?
Wow, that's deep.
I would really like to know.
That's amazing.
Because I see that in TV people say, because I've done bit of everything. I've done daily soaps, I've done telefilms now, I've done ads, I've done short films, I do stage as well. You want to do something funny on stage so you get audience.
Yeah.
Tickets बिके क्योंकि थिएटर में वैसे ही पैसे नहीं कम लोग तो आए. You want to do TV में फटाफट एक दिन में 16-18 सीन्स तो करने ही पड़ेंगे क्योंकि कल एपिसोड डिलीवर करना है. तो टीआरपी कैसे बढ़ेगी? तो एक सीन में रो दो, एक सीन में हंस दो, एक सीन में ये कर दो. मूवी में आपको लगता है 3 रोने के सीन, 3 एक्शन सीन, 3 ये सीन, 3 वो सीन, स्टार्टिंग एंड मिडल परफेक्ट है. चलो बॉक्स ऑफिस तो ये होना चाहिए, दिवाली पे रिलीज कर लेते हैं. Like there's so much and there's nothing wrong in it. I understand the pressure that every platform is going through.
Yeah.
I would want to know that if there was no pressure and there was no money involved or fame involved, what would you really create with your art? It's like saying if two beings are really understand each other, if you remove words and language out of their life, how would they communicate?
Wow, you.
Right?
My goodness. This is so thought-provoking. You can actually meet Mr. Ridley Scott and write a nice fictional, maybe life in Mars, life in some other planet where these are not the things.
I'm telling you, I actually live in that world, I wear unicorns. I'm always living in a mythical, magical world. I'm always sucker, and I'm still always hoping that by the time we have kids, maybe we'll be able to create a land, a world where the power would not be to coming first in competition, but the power would be how you inspire someone. You always ask now who inspired you, but we never asked whom are you inspiring.
Right.
It's both ways, right?
Fantastic, actually. Because nobody cares whom you are inspiring. You're always wondering, this is.
कौन मुझे inspire कर रहा है?
Yeah. Thank you so much. And my final question before we jump onto a quick fun game is, when you guys are not working or not traveling, you are at home or some place else together, what is that one thing or couple of things you guys are most likely to spend your time doing? Now, Namit, I know that smirk, it is genuinely, believe me, it's written. This is not because you said nobody asks me this. This is all credit to Sarah. She's already written this as the last question.
No, you would find me actually. Just 2 months back, I created this space for myself. I call it my office, but that's actually my music room slash Riyaz, place for records, books. So yeah, so you'll actually find me here, digging into my collection, my record collection, and playing something for myself or for people. Uh, and reading or playing the piano or doing my riyaz and sometimes on the beach running when I'm in the mood.
I
So
have
you'll actually find me doing all of these things.
I've
Yeah.
been couple of participant of your Insta live sessions of late night with Namit, where you perform.
That sounds like an X-rated show,
Nahi, nahi,
Late Night
nahi.
with Namit, but yeah, darling, this is music for you right now. बताइए ना क्या problems हैं आपकी? But yeah, you'll find me doing these things, or you'll find me at food hall, uh, trying to get new khana because I like cooking as well. So I'll be making food or something.
आपके लिए
Yeah.
Shruti, what is that one thing you like to do?
I actually, do many things, honestly. I don't make friends in the industry because I've always seen with my father, with my brother, and even with Namit that वो एक ही बात होती रहती है इसका performance उसके film में बहुत बोर हो जाती हूँ. So my sister friends have become my friends. So I spend some time with them to talk about other boring things in life that also exist. I've learned tarot reading, so I've been practicing that. I'm also now I can say I am a healer. I've been practicing access consciousness, which is basically about a healing technique where you help someone to forget all their point of views, that they have a new point of view. Like if you delete your past, then what you would be.
Right.
And the other boring side, I'll also tell you something. My actually excitement something exciting that I do for myself, which is binge watching. I've been binge watching Big Boss, which is so completely extreme. When Namit is not at home in the night, I'm just watching Big Boss because we are like on the finale. So I do a bit of all of that. Yeah.
Good.
Shruti watches Big Boss like it's like she has been employed to do that. She's getting money
Yeah,
to do it.
yeah.
She's
I
very
love
serious
it.
about it.
I'm very serious about it.
Sort of,
It's a
I
serious
can't have a
business.
conversation with her.
Oh,
There are times when I come home and she's involved in in the show at that point of time.
yeah.
And I would have to, अगर मुझे कुछ ढूंढना होता है कि socks ढूंढनी है या कुछ होता है,
हाँ.
मैं उस time पे I ask myself 100 times कि should I do this or should I let her finish the show and then say. उससे
Yeah.
पहले के मतलब मैं नंगे पैर ही घूम लेता हूँ घर पे.
I love it.
But that is good. That is amazing. Thank you so much for that. So we have a quick rapid fire game. Whatever comes to your mind. All right.
Okay.
We have tried not to put you in a situation where you have to be diplomatic. We have tried our best, at least हमारे नज़रिए से.
Cool.
Okay. Describe each other in 3 words.
Go, Shruti.
No, you go.
3 words, right?
Yeah.
Simple, caring, beautiful.
How sweet. Namit is joyful, exciting, romantic.
Wow. Fabulous. First place you both would like to visit after the whole pandemic kind of takes a backseat.
Shruti, you have to go first.
Alternate judge.
I honestly, I really want to go to Kashmir. I want to see snow in India. I haven't done that. I really want to see what a white snowland looks like in India.
Nice.
Yeah.
I would like to go to. I would like to come to London. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh shit! I should have said that. Okay.
नहीं आओगे तो साथ में तो
हाँ ठीक है, दोनों हो जाएगा.
Great. One or more materialistic thing you spend your most money on.
Me, vinyl records,
Mhm.
everything.
Nice.
I actually love spending money on plants and teapots.
Nice.
Yeah, yeah.
Amazing. Three weird or fun facts about each other which not many know.
3 weird facts about Shruti. She likes to close the door and dance on her own.
Namit will kill you.
Uh, 2, Shruti tried to learn driving at one point of time. That's it. I don't want to say anything more than that. And then what happened is another story. It's another interview.
All right.
3 fun facts that people don't know about her. Yeah, a fun fact that people don't know about her is that she is the daughter of B.M. Vyas, who is a brilliant writer. But what people don't know is that he is also a brilliant astrologer. So she's a brilliant astrologer's daughter. Yeah.
Great.
Oh, thank you. Funny facts about Namit that people don't know. Namit is also an astrologer. Nobody knows that. He loves astrology.
Okay.
Second thing about Namit that nobody knows that I'll take credit for this. He really didn't know what was day wear and night wear.
Okay.
Okay, like what colors to wear in the daytime, what colors to wear in the nighttime, whether it's with shoes or clothes. So
Okay.
I took credit. I'm taking credit openly. I had to teach him that, and there were a lot of fights.
Okay.
Third thing is that Namit loves LP records, sahi, but Namit loves collecting itar.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
he has too many. I think it can go with according hourly. कि 5 बजे ये, 6 बजे I should smell 7 बजे I should smell like this. There's so many, and he's still
Wow.
collecting them. Yeah,
This is great. This is
yeah,
and
yeah.
a final question for rapid fire is which is that latest or any recent TV or web series you guys have binge watched individually or together?
Shruti has been watching many.
Listen, I watch a lot. I really watch a lot. But one of my favorite right now was the show by the same people who made Big Little Lies called The Undoing.
Oh wow.
I really finished it like in
Nicole
in one night.
Kidman, Hugh Grant.
Yes,
Oh,
Nicole Kidman, Hugh Grant. Yeah, I think I binge watched Big Little Lies also, but The Undoing was really
It was
really gripping.
my
Yeah.
I watch whatever Shruti watches.
Wrong. He
So
doesn't watch anything. I keep telling
no, I
him.
mean, but whenever I have to give these interviews and generally ask, okay, what are you binge watching these days? Because apparently that is like the thing to do.
Yeah.
And I tell them, and that's my cue to sort of keep the phone down and tell Shruti, what are you watching these days? And she tells me something, and I repeat that. But now that we can't do that here, obviously. So the truth is actually I walk in and Shruti is watching something.
Uh-huh.
I watch 10 minutes of it
Uh-huh.
and then I tell people I'm watching that these days.
Achha.
That's what I do. But I actually read. I read. And what I'm reading right now, which I can't show you because my iPad is actually on it.
Oh, no problem.
It's a book by Ramchandra Guha. It's Gandhi's biography. It's the years that he was present in India and how that led to independence. It's a very popular book, and I'm really enjoying it.
Wow, amazing! Thank you for that. And our next segment is called "Who is more likely to?" I'll give you scenarios.
Okay.
You just need to tell who amongst you is more likely to. All right? Okay. Who is more likely to lose their temper?
both are.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pretty much equal
I think we both.
level. Okay.
Yeah.
Both
I think we
parts.
both are edgy people, I think. And I
Yeah,
think we were both aware of it.
All right.
yeah.
Most likely to forget birthdays or anniversaries.
Shruti.
She went instantly. Okay. Throw a lavish party.
I think Namit.
I think me. Yeah. I
Yeah.
think I'll.
All right. Most likely to feel lost in a new place.
Me.
Yeah, I didn't want to say that, Shruti, because I think post this
Me.
interview, we might have had a fight. But
Okay. All
That's
right.
me.
Who is most likely to get a sleepless night after watching a horror movie?
मेरे ही हाथ ऊपर जा रहे सब चीज.
no, actually, I think we are both on the same page on
Namit,
this one.
तुम
because
बिल्कुल नहीं डरते, तुम डराते हो. Please, तुम कोई
Okay,
नहीं
I was-
डरते.
Okay, I was
Yeah.
lying. I love horror films.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Amazing. Who is most likely or the first one to apologize after a fight?
We both actually.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I don't know. My theory is that I say sorry very easily. Or I don't actually.
I think the theory with us is Namit, when
This
we
is a-
realize it's some mistake, we apologize.
Yeah. I think we both are that way similar. But if we feel that we are right, then I think we'll hold on to it. Yeah. We'll
Yeah.
hold on to it. But the moment we realize that it's our fault or I think we can get past this,
Yeah.
I think Shruti is the first one to say sorry. Yeah, she can.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Most likely to plan a surprise date or a surprise trip.
Hey.
Namit.
I'm the king of surprises. I love
Yeah.
surprises myself.
Nice one. Most likely to adopt a cat or a dog.
I think none of us.
No.
No, first.
No, बाबा.
No.
अरे अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले ले बाबा.
हाँ.
क्या दूसरे लोग की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेके क्या करेंगे अभी?
हम दूर से ही प्यार करके आ जाते हैं.
हाँ.
And
We love
प्यार
animals.
दुआ
It's
dे.
not like
Yeah,
but
we
it's not like
love
we-
animals. Yeah.
Having that clarity is good rather than you
Yeah,
try-
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Who's most likely to run a marathon?
Namit.
Yeah.
Most definitely. Yeah.
All right.
And this is coming from a person who's been regularly exercising for the last 2 months and losing a lot of weight. Okay.
But again, I strongly feel exercising, running are absolutely two different things.
Very different. Yeah.
Believe me.
Completely.
I'm a more running kind of person. Yeah, I agree.
Exactly. That's
Yeah.
again a type of a thing. Like you enjoy this
Yeah.
or that. Very rarely people enjoy exercising and running both. Very rare. I have found.
Yeah.
Great.
True.
And the last one is who is most likely to forget a new gadget?
No, Shruti, that could be me as well.
Yeah. I've lost so many mobile phones, Namit.
Oh.
Yeah, you have actually. Yeah, you have.
Sometimes even my debit card. So I should just take this on me. I don't want us to fight because your memory is sharp. You'll remind me the amount of times I've lost gadgets.
Fabulous. Thank you so much for this. This was so much fun. Can you guys individually share about your upcoming projects, which you can officially share so far?
I can share now. So this is before lockdown. I finished a web series called Fallen. It's directed by Reema Kakti. It's by Tiger Baby Production House. There's Gulshan Deveya, Vijay Verma, Sonakshi Sinha. I'm playing Gulshan Deveya's wife. It's actually very funny. That was the first thing that I shot before lockdown.
Okay.
It's an interesting part. There are fewer scenes, but very, very well written and very impactfully written. I hope it comes out that impactfully. But Reema is such a fabulous writer and a director, and I was too greedy to work with her. I didn't want to lose this chance. It was just before Holi, so I had a great time. We shot in Bikaner. The weather was lovely. And Gulshan Deveya was a fabulous co-actor to work with. I had a very tricky scenes with him and he kind of helped me out. I had to use Marwadi accent So I was very excited about that. And then lockdown happened, and then I got Black Widows, in which I'm playing Punjabi tomboy, not at all feminine. वो पहले release हो गया. So I was actually very shocked, but now I think they've resumed again. And they're going to finish the shoot, so that will be the next thing that will be coming. Yeah.
Nice. How about you, Namit?
For me, there's this film called Aafat-e-Ishq, which is going to be coming out. That I think ZEE5 had announced this on their platform in December. But I think we are looking at a release, I think April or a May release. Okay. It's an interesting film. I really love it. It's full of magic. It's directed by Indrajit Nattoji. I play a very interesting character, someone who's inspired by Kishore Kumar. And it has Neha Sharma, Deepak Dobriyal, Amit Syal in it. I'm also shooting for a web show called Donali for Applause, and that world is totally different. I mean, it's a world of Chambal, it's a world of Dakus, it's a world of 1960s and what happened there. Wow. And we are in the process of making that right now, and I think it'll later this year. I think it'll come out. And then there is another project for Netflix, which I can't talk too much about, but yeah, it's good. I'm really looking forward to these things.
That is so lined up, and so many projects which couldn't come out in 2020. We all will be now a nice. What do you say?
Totally. In fact, Saurabh, I would like to add, because through your medium, I think a lot of people will get to know about this. There's another play, and I'm just happy to talk about it now because the lockdown is over and now we are traveling with it. It's an Urdu play by a very revolutionary writer called Ismat Chughtai. And this play is directed by Sir Naseeruddin Shah. Right. And it did really well in Bombay and everywhere else. But now that the lockdown is open, we'll be traveling with it. It's a very funny play. It's based on the autobiography of Ismat Chughtai, and whatever she has written is relevant even today. So we'll be traveling it to Bangalore, to this other parts of Maharashtra and many other places. Wow. So, all those people who've been missing live theater, live performances, beautiful writing and Naseesa's direction, they should definitely come for this one. Yeah.
That is amazing. And for the first time, I should take this liberty to say that for the first time, an artist has mentioned and shown or openly mentioned कि ये play भी आने वाला है. We always discuss movies and films and series and maybe sometimes short stories. But not anyone tells you play and you guys do watch it. I hope this play becomes huge and also travels internationally. So
I really hope that. I really want to come with this play actually to London, because there's so many Indians over there. And I think there are some plays where you can you can become translator with even languages. It's one of that kind of writing.
Absolutely.
So I really hope it comes to other parts of the world as well, and not just India.
Wow.
So thank you.
Definitely, fingers crossed for that. We wish you all the very, very best. Thank you so much for taking out the time. It was a pleasure speaking with you. बहुत मजा आया, genuinely.
Thank you, Saurabh.
हमें भी बहुत मजा आया. Really had a great time. Didn't feel like an interview at all. बहुत मजा आया.
Now this is the best praise I can get. We aim for this because we don't want interview. This is in all by means candid, true conversation, zero scripting, just talking heart out. And thank you so much for saying that.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Take care. Take care. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this conversation as much as I did. Please do like and share this video with all your friends and family. Also, do not forget to subscribe to Binge Buddies for more such candid conversations.